Overflowing toilets are a horrible experience. They're messy, they're embarrassing. No one wants to clean up a mess like that. It's not only the embarrassment of causing an overflow, but also dealing with the potential damage. Repair costs from a flooded bathroom can be quite significant. In fact, seeing the water rising in a clogged toilet causes anxiety in most people. This fear is so common it even has a name. It's called Overflowbia. Now there's a cure for Overflowbia. It's called Flush Guard. Flush Guard toilets have an exclusive patented feature that provides overflow protection. They have an overflow drain built right into the toilet. The 3 overflow drain holes provide a visual reminder that Flush Guard is there to protect you. It gives you peace of mind knowing that no matter how bad a clog is, Flush Guard will drain the water before it overflows. When it comes to cleaning, Flush Guard is worry-free. It's connected to the toilet's flush system, so the entire overflow drain is washed out with every flush. Installation is a breeze too. Flush Guard toilets install just like regular toilets. There's nothing special required. The overflow drain exits directly into the sewer pipe by bypassing any potential toilet clogs. With Flush Guard, you can truly go in peace.